Hello everyone. In today's video, we will learn how to create styles, attaching the raw materials and how to check RM's availability. First, click on Style Management module, open Style and click Create Style. Enter style name, style description, select the location and then fabric from the drop down. The color associated with the fabric gets selected. If the fabric is not yet created, you can create it at any time by clicking the plus icon button, entering all relevant details. Select the season which you are going to do the production for. Add the buyer PO quantity and the quantity allowance if you wish to do extra production. If you are working for any brand, select the brand. This will help you when you are generating the reports brand wise. Select garment division, product type, add tentative PO delivery and PO shipping date. Scroll down, select the required sizes from the sizes drop down and enter the size wise quantity. System will generate the SKU and GS code automatically once the style is saved, or it can be manually entered if it is provided by the buyer. Enter the garment, HSN, MRP price if its own brand. System generates the MRP barcode sticker for the price tag. Enter job work price if you are giving it out for a job work. Select the process workflow based on the style's requirement. We will explain more about it in the production planning video. Image upload option is provided for fabrics, tech packs, and the images becomes part of the job card. This gives more clarity when the job card issued to the production team. If you scroll up, on the right side there is a field to enter the approved fabric consumption. Once the consumption entered, the quantity required to process the entire order is automatically calculated and displayed. Enter the fabric allowance when ordering extra fabric. Save the style. Saving the style activates these tabs. Click the RM allocation BOM tab. Select the raw materials from the drop down and click on the add button. If an RM is to be created, click on the hyperlink to create one. Once the consumption is entered, the quantity required to process the entire order is automatically calculated and displayed. Based on the allowance percentage updated in the allowance column, system displays required quantity plus allowance percentage right below the required quantity. Availability quantity column shows the freely available stocks that are available in your store. If you select the transfer quantity checkbox, required quantity would get blocked for the style. When you are raising the purchase order for any of these RMs against the style, system will allow you to raise what's required for the style plus the allowance entered. Since RMs carries 60% of the cost of an order, with this functionality, you will get control over excess ordering and save more money. In the next video, we will teach you how to raise the purchase order, only what is required for the style and how you can WhatsApp the purchase order to supplier. Thank you for watching. Please leave a comment if you have any questions or raise a ticket if you need a free demo by clicking the link mentioned in the description.